dream, I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
The Minister of FCT, Wike, seeks to borrow just 500 billion to finance capital projects. Moving on, we have the governor of Anambra State, Governor Soludo, said that he refused to fix the bad road because it was in the constituency of an opposition politician. All right, people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as it is hot. In case it's your first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and also remember to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, so that now you could be the first to watch them. Maybe if no be small matter they happen for this country. Now the matter where I carry give on be said the Minister of FCT, Wike, asked the House of Representatives to approve 500 billion loan to finance the 1,147 trillion 2024 budget of the territory. Wike made the request when he appeared before the House of Committee on Federal Capital Territory to defend his budget on Monday. He said that the 500 billion will be sourced from commercial banks and it will be used to finance capital projects. So on the expenditure side, Wike said that the ministry is proposing to spend 726.3 billion on capital expenditure and 421 billion on recurrent expenditure. Wike also spoke on the hike in personnel costs of the ministry. He said that the increment is to accommodate emolument of political appointees and in anticipation of new minimum wage. That the sum of 440 billion, representing 12.28%, is proposed for personnel costs for the year 2024, compared to an appropriation of the sum of 99.5 billion in the year 2023. So this shows an increase of the sum of 41 billion, that is 29%, as against the reverse 2023 appropriation. Now, the increase is to accommodate the emolument of the appointed mandate secretaries and other political appointees of the administration, payment of staff promotion arrears, peculiar allowances, and staff wage award arrears. Honestly, my people, politics is such a lucrative business. No wonder most Northerners would rather go into politics than to go to school. All the money that has been poured into Abuja, yet they cannot stand toe-to-toe with other capital cities. Nigerians need death penalty in the constitution. This is what everyone got to fight for. Imagine 500 billion. These people just want to finish this country, I swear. All the money that has been pumped there, what are they using it for? Nigerians and tribalism, now 5 and 6. The way all this their project they collect money, but when minimum wage is talked about, una no go say anything. Just 500 billion. So how much is subsidy then? Why are they frustrating Nigerians? Why should these people suffer? Why can't they cut cost of politicians? They know they borrow money again. Oh, it was in Buhari's regime we heard about millions. This regime is the real hush puppy of government. Imagine. This money una the thief. No, they tire una. Even let's say Wike is looking for means to gather money against 2027 to fight Fubara and also River States. So much IGR and allocation, that's almost 1 trillion. When Wike was governor, that was what gave him confidence to be making mouth and throwing money up and down. Now as a minister of FCT, he can generate that, so he's looking for all means necessary to do projects he can steal from. If you check the projects, they are all inflated over 1,000%. He's looking for all means. My people, to be relevant in politics is money. You want to borrow just $500 million and yet no free education, nothing put in place for infrastructure or education. Most people in their lifetime can't smell that amount. And I want to ask, of what benefit is those capital projects to the country? When I go chop this our commonwealth finish. So I guess I go like make I know what I think about this matter in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation lively in our comment section. Moving on to the next one. The executive governor of Anambra State, Soludo, has reportedly said that he refused to fix a bad road because it was in the constituency of an opposition politician. The People Gazette reported that Soludo, while inaugurating 12 kilometers of road in the Akboko area on Monday, March 18, explained that inaugurated road was done because the politician joined his party, All Progressive Grand Alliance. So according to the publication, Governor Soludo said that he rejected the advice to develop Wokedike Street because the House member representing the area was formerly in the opposition. So as of the time he brought the poor state of the road to his attention and advised him that it should be repaired, he was in the opposition then and he did not listen to him. He said one day he was taking a walk that one guy showed him the road which the honorable member representing Agbaru constituency 1, Nobu Chunonso Igwe, had spoken to him about and because he was an opposition, that he could not do anything on the road then. That today Wike is in the party and he is a mainstream member. So he have listened to him. That when he was in the opposition, that he was in the parlor talking, but his voice could not be heard. But today, he's not only a mainstream member of his party, but he's right in the bedroom talking with him. That he cannot be outside and be talking. That he has to come inside the bedroom so that he can listen to him. My people don't be small matter. So his governance is for only the constituency that voted for him, not for the general public. My people would call here matter. That mentality is too low. So why did they elect him as the governor then? This one is called politics of hatred. Are you fixing it for the opposition or for the people? Or do you mean that no one from the constituency voted for you? This man is Anambra nightmare. God will deliver them, honestly. All I want to say is that they don't really care about us. These governors don't really care about the people. What kind of mentality is this? Ha, Nigerians, why do we all keep voting this kind of people? This is enough reason for impeachment. How can one be this confidently daft? You guys can see that Nigerians are not the priority of these selfish, proud individuals. I think he don't really understand politics because this is a very disappointing statement. Look at what an educated professor is saying in 2024. Hey, no matter how you guys sugarcoat it, he be like say military rules still remain the best for Nigeria. So because we don't understand what these people they do again. So it's all about politics. It's not all about the people of Anambra State. But you included the constituency when counting votes. I strongly doubt if some of these politicians listen to themselves at all. Who do we offend in this country? Who did this to us? Imagine a governor saying that to his people. It's so disheartening, seeing someone who has been a CBN governor with this kind of behavior. The boldness with which they use public office to which hurt is sad. Now, like this, the country want a good selective development. If an educated ex-CBN governor can say this, then we are doomed in this country. See the people you guys keep putting in charge of the affairs of more than 300 million people. Who caused Africa? By people, make una answer. People, this is how low our so-called leaders think. And that is why we have so many abandoned projects. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions, and in the comment section, we would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate it. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. To all our viewers, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe, guys. Bye.